Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, amazing and crafting jute craft, beautiful, amazing different styles, different projects, different homemade, amazing crafting on your screen. Very special and very beautiful and unique video I'm sharing with you. Hope you like it. If you like, so please must subscribe and share with your friends and family. Easily making at your home, not so expensive. Feel the texture, mind-blowing art. You can make different style, different type of imagination art, simplicity, how to make your home beautiful, cozy and unique. Decoration is not an expensive thing, it's just your imagination with your different style, how to make your beloved home transform into farmhouse look. You can also add your own ideas and style like beads, buttons, fairy lights, and transform your home new look. If you are new at our channel, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and new videos. Visit my channel, there is lots of amazing and beautiful art, DIY projects, crafting, how to make your home beautiful, how to decorate your home for events, different style, different projects, different crafting, budget friendly, eco friendly. Thanks for watching, love you all.